It's because she has so much hair. It's so fluffy that it it just, her scalp doesn't get any, like,
Yeah.
I have all these little lighter areas of hair.
That is so funny.
This is going on my video for sure. This one is going on my video. Because
So laughing.
look at the difference. So Kiki, look down. Look down. Okay. So add bronzer here when you have braids. Her scalp is light, so you want to make sure that you add this. Oh my God, look at this. So bronzer. Just a little. It's not a lot. I mean, I'll clean up the... That's so true. Okay. And then you don't notice your scalp so much anymore. But it's crazy, huh?
Because of that.
See, I think of these things. Girl, you need heck of bronzer. You don't need it. I love to put bronzer.
She does. She's a bronzer girl.
I love bronzer.
She's like, what you think you should put on, add that nice.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of lift up all the bronzer that's in your hair. This is a KKW brush. It's a small one for concealing, but I like it because it's really firm. So I'm just kind of picking up that color.
Yeah, and her friend brought her makeup too.
So when you wear your dress tonight, you're going to be super light. So you need to put bronzer there too.
Okay.
So you have a bronzer like that one? Yeah. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a big brush and you're going to just like
Just do it all.
Actually, we're gonna have to do her own.
Yeah, you're going to have to start here and bring it up and bring it up. You know what I would do if I were you with your hair?
Pull those back.
Like, I feel like this needs to be higher.
Oh,
Like this, you need, like,
volume.
because it's too short, flat here and big here. So I feel like, let's see.
Yeah, I haven't like gotten to like scrunch it and fluff my hair out yet.
What you could do with this
Wait,
is,
what if I
Stop.
like tightened it? Like